So hi everyone, thank you so much for coming in to watch. This is Discover Natural, and today, yes, I made flaxseed gel. If you want to see the video on how I made this flaxseed gel without boiling it and putting on the stove and all that stuff, you can click on the link right there to see how I make the flaxseed gel. So I was reading about flaxseed gel, how you can use it for fine lines, for wrinkles, and I thought I'll give it a try. So let me first of all wipe off my makeup. So I'm just using my wipe. I'm gonna wipe up my makeup right here. So let's wipe it off. So I didn't put on so much makeup, so there's really not much to wipe off, but let's just do it. And I don't use a lot of makeup. One thing about all these fine lines is try not to use a lot of makeup. I only use a foundation, that's all. And then sometimes I'll use a blush, eyeliner, and eyeshadow and mascara. And that's it. So I've wiped off all the makeup from my face. As you can see, everything is wiped up. Now I'm gonna take my flaxseed gel, and this is just the same gel that I use for my hair, and I'm just gonna take some. This is it. This is the consistency that I am working with. And I'm just gonna take some and I'm just gonna put it on my face like this and let it dry up. Okay. And it feels really nice and soft on my face. Yeah, it's nice and soft. Feels really nice. I'm just gonna put it not into my eyes, but right areas where I have fine lines. You can't really see them because I'm just trying to stay youthful, y'all. I'm just trying to stay youthful. So yeah, so I put the flaxseed on my face. Let's see what happens when I take it off. Okay, so the flaxseed has dried on my face. While I was waiting for it to dry, I decided to also use the flaxseed gel, which is gone now, to twist up my hair and stuff, but that will be in another video. Yes, so I'm trying to combine a lot of, so you can see it's quite hard. Yeah, you can see it's quite smooth. So I'm gonna just rinse it off. So you can use this flaxseed face mask as a mask, all organic, all natural. So this is what my face looks like after I have taken off the face mask, and it feels soft. I've not lotioned it or anything, but this is what it looks like. I really don't have so many, like right here, you know, sometimes I'll scrunch and stuff, but I'll keep on using it and I'll come back and show you guys later on. But this is, it feels really, really nice. It just feels tight. Yeah, that's the word. It feels tight, like it has a tight feeling, like my face feels tighter for some reason, because of the face mask, right? So if you guys try this out, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll be seeing me look like this again because I have to wait for this to dry overnight. But happy new year once again, and talk to you guys later. Bye.